Yeah, hi everyone. Today question is lead code 632 smallest range covering elements from K list. Now here we are giving the K list. All the list having a sorted in non-decreasing order means all the list is sorted in increasing order. After that find the smallest range of at least one element of each array we have to pick, right? That's mean we are giving the K list and we need to find the range, smallest range. Smallest range basically means every element we need to pick of every kth list. Let's say for here, now here is we need to pick, let's say for 0, 4 and 5. The range of this is 0 to 5, but this is not small because 0 to 5 range is the distance is 5, but here is 20. We are picking here from first one range here 24, here is 20, here is 22. That's mean we are pick one element from every list. The range will 20 to 24. That's mean this is the minimum. This is our answer, right? Okay, we will discuss in notepad for better clarity. Now we are giving the list here. The list is 4, 10, 15, 24 and 26, right? And here is 0, 9, 12, 20. Second 18, 22 and 30, right? Basically here there is three lists. There is first list, this is first one, this is second one, this is third one. That's mean here is we have a three list, but the size of list is here 3500, right? But here is 3. Now here all the list already in sorted order, right? Now here that's mean we can pick here first element, here first element, or this first element. This is our possible answer we will choose because array is already sorted order. So that's mean can we say that here we are creating three, here we are creating three here we are creating a K list, right? K sets or K list, we can say that. Now this is the brute force. Basically we are discussing about the brute force. How can we do that, this question? Now here we are choosing, here is 4, here we are choose, here is 5. Basically we are using a priority queue, like that K priority queue, or right? That's mean the minimum one is here is 0 and maximum one is 5, correct? Minimum one is 0, maximum one is 5. After that this is our one possible answer. The range of this is 5. Now here 0, 4, 5, which one is value is smaller? This value is smaller. That's mean we need to remove this and pick 9 from next element of the first list. Now what is the difference? What is the range? 4 to 9. 4 to 9 range is, again the distance of 4 to 9 is 5. That's mean we have already have a better answer. We didn't update here. After that, which value is smaller? The list 0 value is smaller. We will update this, right? We will update this 10, 5, 10. 5, 10 is range is already we have a smaller range. We will not take it. Now here is 18. 9 and 18 is range is already greater. We will not pick it. 9 we will update it into a 12. We are taking every element. After that, if this element is not, we are finding the smallest element of all three. Here the smallest element is 10 and we are checking the range. Range is 18. Range is not match. We will pick the element from. After that we are finding the smallest element. Here the smallest element. We are take the next element from our array, from our list, right? We are picking 15. Same thing we can do that to in. Now here is 12 and 18. Here we are taking 20. Now here the range between 15 to 20. 15 20 is also greater range. Now here we are update here 15 because 15 is smaller, right? Now here range is 18 to 24, right? But 18 to 24 range is greater. We update here 18 because all the 3 18 is smaller. 22. Now here is 20 to 24. 20 to 24 is distance between there is 4. We got the smallest answer. That means we will update our answer to this 20,24 and value is 4. This gap between range between both of them is 4. After that, now 20 is completed. After that we will update 20 because 20 is smaller. There is no any element. That's mean this is our final answer because we don't have any element. But here if list is k, we need to create a k priority queue, right? But k priority key is take a more space, or that's why they will give a TLE or memory limit exceed, because space is more, they will give a memory limit exceed. Is there any better way? Because this is the brute force way, we can do it like that. We will understand, is there any better way of this? This is our list. Now inside here list is, now this is our list, right? Now after that how can we do it? Basically here 4, 0 and 15, right? Here we are using the priority queue. Can we do that same thing in list? In a list we are creating list or priority queue, right? Yeah, we can do it in a one priority queue. How we can create? We are creating a one priority queue or set. Set is also a good choice to do that. But in priority queue the problem was how to find the last element, because we have to take a first element or last element, right? First element or last element. Now here in a set, what I'm thinking, in a set we are using a set. In a set we can store all that element 5, right? Total k element we already have. We will pre-calculate or pre-store in a set of first element of every kth list. After that we will take the first element, because in a set all the element is increasing order. We will pick first element and last element, take the minimum and maximum of both. Minimum, we got the minimum and maximum, and take the difference of 5. After that we will update, right? Every time here we are using the set, because in a set we will optimize it. Now 405, right? 045 is there. After that we will remove 0, because there is no any sense of 0 to check. After that's mean we will remove a 0. 4, 5, 0 is come from at least 2. We will take an element from 9 here, right? And every time we will take we will take a list, right? We can take a pair of, we will take in a set we will take a pair of current element and list, pair of int comma int, right? We will take like that. Now after that every time we will update 4, 5, 9. Again we will check 4, 5, 9. We will remove front element, and next time we will add, because we will check where is come from 4. 4 is come from list 1. We will take a 10 here, pick 10 here. After that 5 is smaller. We will update our list 9, 10, 18 from here, right? Because 5 is smaller, we can remove a 5 and add 9 here. We need to update two things in a set. First one, in a set we will store the value, right? Second one, we will store the value here. After that we are taking another pair. In this pair we are storing, because value we need to check the smallest value or greatest value. Second value we will write here int for update for list, which list currently we need to choose. I, we have stored the index of I, which list we need to choose, I at list. And here is another pair, this will be choose for which index currently you are list of I, but which index currently you are in. This is J. That's for currently you are in 18. Next element we need to choose for 22. So they are storing jth, ith and jth, or this will be your minimum and maximum value, right? Same thing we can do that up to int, and every time we will update our answer. If answer is greater, then we can update every time. right? Okay, we will we will take a hold case to do that. This, right? Copy, paste here. Oh, now here we are creating one set. This is our set, right? Sorry, this is our set. In a set, we are storing here 4 comma 0 comma 0. Now another set is 0 comma 1. What is 1? This is our ith list. This is the first list at 0, at index 0, right? I comma j pair we are storing. 5 comma 1 comma, not a 1, here is 2 comma 0, right? We are choosing first element of everyone. We are choose this, choose this, choose this. Now here after that we are choosing, we will find the minimum and maximum. Minimum is this. In a set we are using a set, and maximum is this. We are taking the difference. This is our, assume that this is our max. Min is equal to, assume that max. Min value, assume that max, right? Min value, assume that here max. Now here we are checking 5 minus 0. What is the difference? 5. Max value is greater than 5. We can update here min value, and the set is 0 comma 5, right? Currently my answer is 5, right? After that we are going from, we can pop this because this is the smallest value. There is no any use of that point of time because array is already sorted. 4 came, 5 came. Now at 9 we will choose this 9. 9 comma 1 comma 1, right? Now here which value is smaller? 4 is smaller because the difference between 4 of 9 minus 4 is, this is largest, this is smallest. We are choosing every element from every list. 9 minus 5 is 4. Already 9 minus 4 is 5. Already we have a minimum answer. We cannot update here. We can remove 4 here. After that 4 come from at index 0, 0 comma 0. We can pick this 10. Now here 10 comma 1 comma 1. Sorry, 10 comma 0 comma 1. Right, 10 comma 0 comma 1. Now difference is again 5. We will pop this. We will remove this from list 2. We can update list 2 here. Here is 18 comma 0 comma 18 comma 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, right? There is no any use of this. We can remove it. This is useful, right? After that we are updating here 2 comma 1. Again we will take the difference is 9. We will not take it because already we have a minimum difference. We can pop this 9. What happened? Oof. We can pop this 9, and from 9 is come from index list 1, at index I is 1. From here we are picking 12 comma 1 comma 2. Again we are taking the difference 10 comma 18. Difference is more. We are update here. We are remove 10 here. 10 come from here. We will update here 15 comma 0 comma 2. Again we will take the difference is 12 comma 18 is 6 is greater. We can update here 12. We are choosing here 20 comma 1 comma 3, right? Now difference between 15 and 20, already we have a minimum one. We cannot choose. Now we can remove 15 here at 0 comma 2, right here 24 comma 0 comma 3. What is the difference? 18 comma 24 is, minimum one is 18, maximum one is 24. The difference is 6. We cannot pick it. Already we have a minimum difference. After that we can update here 18 because 18 is, we can remove 18. 18 is smaller. We can pick 2022. 2022 we need to pick here. Now 20, 22, comma 2022 comma at index 2 at value is 2, right? First 18 we are removing. Okay. After that here is 20 and 24. Now here the difference of 20 24 is 4. We can update here because here we have a value 5. We can update minimum is 4 and update this set also is 20 24, right? After we can remove this because we don't have because this value is small, right? After that the list of 1 is out of bound. There is no any element. We are already iterate all the elements. If already iterate, that's why we cannot choose from any element from this list, right? Now our answer is done. We can print 4 here. The time complexity of this one is 2 of n because we are iterating all the element of list, and space complexity is also O of n, right? We are choosing only choose all the k element. Basically we are taking the size k of vector or set, basically set size, right? Okay, I will show you a code. Oh, 1 second. Now here we are taking the set int comma pair. After that we are inserting the first element of every list. Now here we are taking the minimum is my assume that max. After that we are taking x1 or x2. Both are x1 or x2 is your starting element or ending element of your set, right? We are comparing here starting element or even starting element or ending element of set. If it is smaller than the minimum range is greater than the both x1 and x2, we will update our range, right? Min range or update our vector range. Apart from other is after that we are taking we will remove a front element of the set, and in the same list we will choose the next element if possible. After that here is we will check if list is already completed. Current list is already we are already traverse break, otherwise we will take the element column plus 1 element, the next element of the list after return the range. Yes, thank you so much.